So guys, in today's video, I am at Ollie's house. He is not there. But yeah, Ollie has got a TRX 90, just the same as mine, but a bit older. He does actually have a pit bike track in his garden, so I'll now show you that. This is the track. Got a few big jumps. Here with Josh as well. We're just going to be riding Ollie's quad because his pit bike, the clutch is broken, so we can't ride that for the moment. Now Josh is having a go. He doesn't ride, he's never ridden before. Oh, nice one. He's not changing gear. Josh is so bad. How was that then?
I'm good.
Yeah. Josh, what happened there?
I just came out the corner and into the bush.
Look at the bush! That's what it was like before. Now where Josh has just crashed. Look at all of this. Oh my god.
Better. You're not you when you're hungry. Snickers. Get some nuts.
So we are back in now. We've come in after Josh's crash because Josh is just bad. He's not good, is he?
Yeah, okay, buddy.
You're not very good, are you?
No.
So that is going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. Thanks for watching.